All right. Cleaned up a little. Still have this side to do. Wiring harness is definitely coming along. Got my grommets in. I'll have to put those on in a little bit. One wire still got to hook up. Get my oil pressure sender. The more I look at it, the more I'm going to put gauges on this thing, because let's face it, the factory gauges did not show everything you need to know. Look underneath. And again, starting to get a little bit more organized. Still got my gauges to put on. Turn signal, got to figure out what I'm going to do for a turn signal. I'm hoping I can take that steering wheel off and get to the original, get it working, and get rid of that add-on. But if I have to use that, I will. But yeah, I think I found a place I can get a little cheaper gauge. I might put those on it. That way I can have a tack and a good oil pressure gauge. I think it's kind of important. All right, well, until now, things going on. One kind of strange thing I decided. Seems backwards, but I'll probably end up doing the whole truck. Is I got the buffer out, and I started just to kind of see what it would look like down a bedside. Hit it with the buffer, and that shit will buff out. Check this out. Well, the sunlight might be too much, but the difference in color from the bed to there, and look at it, look like it shines. You can really see the difference between this and this. There's a definite line right there where I buffed. So I get a little more work to this thing, get the rust spots treated, hit it with that buffer. Don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. I'm kind of shocked, actually, how different that. Wow, that just, wow. So did do an oil change. Go ahead and get a fresh one in it. Get some cheap oil. Run it up to temperature a little bit. Get on one right now and see if I can find valve seals for that slant 6, because the smoke sure does pour as it warms up. And after the oil change, it got about the same, about a little, maybe a little worse. So definitely need to take care of that. Otherwise, it's looking good, unfortunately. That's it for this week. I'll be able to do nothing for a whole week till I get back on Friday. At which time, let's hope we can get some tail lights. My headlights will be here. I'll rewire all those up. Those should be in good shape. And whatever accessories I get, I'm going to spend a little more time looking to see what I can come up with a turn signal, because I really don't want to use that aftermarket turn signal. I think the thing's, well, it's hideously ugly. It looks like it's something that it's an afterthought, something that was added. You know, I've seen it in some old 50s trucks, that 40s and 50s trucks, that didn't come out with turn signals, so they added that to upgrade them. This one looks like cheap plastic chrome. It just, and there's the turn signal right there. It just doesn't have the knob on, or the stem. And it's got a rebuild kit I can buy for 25 bucks. Now, somebody's had the steering wheel off this thing already because they left the horn button off of it. So I might pull it back off and see. They may have realized they couldn't fix it, or maybe it's just too far gone. But I definitely want to try and find out, because it's got to be better than what I got. And if it is, so what? I'll figure out a way to mount that thing, or I'll do something to cover it up, because I'm not happy with the way it is right now. So, next thing.